In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo V50 key fob. This is really easy to do at home, it'll just take you a few minutes, and the only things that you will need are one CR2032 battery and a small-sized Phillips head screwdriver. This is a number 0 Phillips head screwdriver. If you don't have something this size, I'll recommend this cheap set of screwdrivers that I personally use. There'll be a link down in the description for you to get these on Amazon for just a few bucks. I don't know, it's like $5, $6. And if you also don't have one of these batteries, there will be a link in the description as well to get those for a great price on Amazon. The first step here is to look, there it is, down on the bottom of the device. You can see that switch there. Hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now you can see this hole. It's hard to see on camera, but the screw is right in there. You're just going to go in with the screwdriver and remove that screw. Set that to the side. And what works for me here is just to push the screwdriver in to the back, and then on the lip, you can see where the key was. There's a little lip right here. Push that all the way in, and then just pull back on that lip to separate the two halves. You can also just try to do it with your fingers, but the first time I did it, it was really stuck and it was hard, so you want to use the flathead to help you out, get some leverage. So set the front of the device to the side, come over here to where the battery is, and use the same flathead to just gently, the same Phillips head to just pry out the battery. Remove your old battery, take your new CR2032, and when you're putting your new battery in, make sure the positive side that has the plus and the information is facing down, and you'll just snap it into place, positive side down. Come over here, set that right on top, and just squeeze the two halves back together. Put your screw in there. Tighten it up, and you can put your key back in there as well. And that's all it takes to replace the battery. You got a new one in there now, and you should be good to go. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.